Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today we're going to be making everyone's favorite, samosas. Samosas are a favorite South African snack and they're almost as popular as Cook Sisters and biltong. They have a variety of fillings that can range from potato filling, cheese and sweet corn, lamb mince filling, and even tuna. I'm going to show you how to make a chicken mince filling and also show you how quickly and easily you can make these samosas at home. So for all my young viewers who need to learn how to fill samosas, this one's for you. Then I'm going to add in 2 chopped onions, and these are medium-sized onions. And notice I haven't added in any oils, so this is just the onions going in. Then I'm going to add in 500 grams of mince to this. To the 500 grams of mince, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a level teaspoon of rough salt, and 2 level teaspoons of red chili powder. Turn the stove onto medium heat, give this a quick mix. And allow this to cook until no water remains in the pot. Once all the water has dried out in the pot, we're going to add in 20 grams of chopped coriander and 20 grams of spring onions that's chopped. And we're just going to give it a quick mix and switch off the stove. And you can see what a lovely color this already has. And that's your chicken mince filling done. And once our filling is cooked, we're going to allow it to cool. And while that is cooling, we're going to make a white paste that we're going to use to seal our samosa. To make the paste, I've got 1 tablespoon of flour. That's all-purpose cake flour. And I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of water. And then mix this so that you get a nice workable paste. So this consistency is still a bit thick, so I'm going to add in a few more drops of water. And you can see that the paste is quite thick, but it's still a bit runny, and that's what we need. So these are the components that we have to make our samosas. I've got my chicken mince filling, my white paste, and I've got some store-bought samosa pastry. And we're going to use 1 sheet at a time. So be careful when separating these because they can break easily. And remember to keep your samosa pastry folded in a damp cloth so that it doesn't dry out.
Taking one of these sheets, what I'm going to do is fold it into kind of a right angle triangle, then fold it again so that you create a pocket like so. And then I'm going to take a tablespoon or a teaspoon of chicken mince. So that's 2 teaspoons, which is a tablespoon. I'm just going to press it down lightly and then fold it over like so. And then taking your finger, just add in a little bit of the white paste onto the edges and fold this in, and there you have a lovely samosa that's created. Let's do another one. Fold it to create a triangle with a pocket. Add in 2 teaspoons of filling or 1 tablespoon, and then just push it in and fold. Add in your white paste and seal them up. That's another samosa done. And you're going to continue to do this with all the samosa pastry until your filling is finished. From the 500 grams of chicken mince filling, I got about 20 samosas with 2 teaspoons in each pocket. Once your samosas are filled, you can place them in a freezer bag and put them in a freezer, and these will last for up to 3 months. And if you had these samosas in a freezer, you're going to allow them to thaw before frying them. And as you can see here, I've taken a saucepan and just filled up the oil halfway through. I'm going to wait for this oil to heat up before frying the samosas. And I'm just going to wait a few more minutes for the oil to heat up. Once the oil starts bubbling, I'm going to add in my samosas one at a time. And don't keep turning the samosas. We will turn them after 5 minutes and once the other side's brown, a kind of golden brown. After 5 minutes, I'm going to just check the underneath of the samosas, and it is a slight brown, golden brown color. So after 5 minutes, I'm just going to turn the samosas over, and you can see that it's already such a lovely brownish color. And once they are golden brown in color, I'm going to remove them and place them onto a paper towel. And this way the oil from the samosas actually get drained out onto the paper towel. Don't throw away the oil after frying. You can always reuse this about 3 times and then throw the oil away. To serve the samosas, I've actually made a lovely tamarind sauce to go with this. And if you need the recipe, the link is above now. You can watch that and get the recipe for the tamarind sauce. Now my samosas are ready to be served. So as you can see, the samosas have finished. And I wanted to show you, before this last one was eaten, the filling inside. The samosa pastry is nice and crisp. As always, you are free to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, so don't forget. So I hope you enjoyed making samosas with me and will try to make these at home. You see how easily and quickly they can be made. Until the next vlog, you know what I'm going to say. Happy cooking!